there was a slight possibility that I'd hit some rain and maybe some thunderstorms. Yeah. All right, welcome back to another adventure, you guys. We're out here in beautiful Washington State. I'm on the river and we are going to do some camping and we're gonna have a whole lot of fun, you guys. It's been a while since I've been out here camping and I'm just excited to get back into it. I've got a new tent that I want to share with you guys. It's something very interesting. And I figure I would just set it all up with you guys for the very first time. All right, so here's the campsite. It is a nice looking one. I don't really have any trees that are gonna provide too much shade for me, but it looks like a killer spot. I mean, I'm sitting here right on the river. I like that. All right, let me show you guys this tent. All right, so here it is. Free Crocs, I think that's how you say it. This company sent me out this tent to try out, just to kind of look at you guys. And that's what we're gonna do. It's a very interesting tent, at least what I've seen from pictures. What I found really interesting is that it comes in this like suitcase looking thing. It's kind of fancy. That's what it is. It looks like some sort of suitcase. Also came with like an air mattress or something like that. We'll look at that after we get it set up. As well as this is a air pump. Oh, fancy air pump. So we'll use that to blow up the tent. All right, let's get it set up. All right, looks like we've got some instructions here. I think this here is the tent itself. And then there's another compartment over here, which has some stuff in it. I looked at this already. Not really sure what these are. They're like water bags or something. I don't really get it. Maybe waterproof bags? So if you're on the lake or taking stuff somewhere, I don't really know. It came with a couple of those, as well as looks like cordage and some stakes. An interesting stake. It's kind of cool. Even this is kind of fancy. It's got like little attachments. I don't know. It's really weird, you guys, but kind of cool. Fancy schmancy. All right. Let's go ahead and pull the tent out of there. This is the first time I've seen it, you guys. So, Bubble Eye inflatable camping tent. It looks like it's pretty big. Instant setup. I'm really not sure how big this tent is, so I don't know if I have a big enough area here or what. Throw that stuff in there. Okay, it's not as big as I thought it was. So it kind of looks like a little triangle or something. I'm not really sure exactly what I need to do here. I've got all these little valves. They're all fancy stitched. Look at this thing. This is really weird. Okay, I think this is the door. So Oh man, is it bigger than I think it is? I really cannot tell. We'll just have to start pumping it up. All right, so I'm trying to inflate it. I think I might need to stake it down somehow. It's a lot more interesting than I thought it was gonna be, that's for sure. Also, I feel like the pump is working, but it's not working super great. So I don't know how to finish this off. I think it just needs to be really tight. So we're gonna have to keep working at it. Whew. It is getting toasty out here, really toasty. This thing is not very impressive. I am struggling to get this thing to actually look like a tent. Look at this thing. I think if I had like a physical like hand pump, I might be able to get these tighter, but the electrical pump that I have now is almost already dead, and it's just not pushing out enough power to inflate this thing. Who knows? Maybe if I had a hand pump, I'd probably pop it. I don't know. Oh, we're going for it though. We're going for it. Wow, that is so cool. Seeing some fighter jets fly over, that's amazing. Okay, looks like a very large mattress of some sort. Uh-oh. I think we're dead. Oh man, okay, here we go. It's dead. A good thing I have another one. Well, it seems like it's working very well. All right, there it is. The floor mat is in. I think I'm still gonna use my air mattress just because I don't think this is gonna be good enough for me. Oh man, I'm hearing some thunder out there. It looks good that way, not so good that way. I've been hearing those jets, so it makes me feel like it's a jet coming, but I don't see one. So I think we're definitely gonna see maybe some thunder. Oh no, it's starting to rain on me a little bit. Not a ton, but enough for me to want to get this thing closed up. I almost got my bed set, but it is starting to rain. What an interesting day. I don't think I trust this tent at all, you guys. It's not even sticking up with this wind here. It's gonna blow over on me. Oh my. What did I get myself into? I didn't bring a second tent either. Oh, maybe I'll be sleeping in the car tonight, I don't know. Let's see what it's like inside there. See if we could even hang out in here. Oh, man. I don't know. Taking my, it's still hot too. Whew. Very hot. And we got a rainstorm coming. Thunderclouds. Let's see here. Maybe if I open this up. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do, you guys. This thing just wants to blow over. This is real life right here. Woo! I'm out of the rain, but my tent will probably fall over on me. Crazy. It is way too hot in there. I've got my temperature over here. We're sitting at 81 degrees with rain and humidity. The rain feels good. But I sure don't want a thunderstorm. It's always an adventure. I can't believe this. I did come prepared with some rain gear because I did look at the forecast and I thought there was a slight possibility that I'd hit some rain and maybe some thunderstorms. I planned on bringing a second tent because I was not sure about this tent, you guys. And this thing is failing miserably. How can you expect yourself to survive in something that can't even stay up? A little bit of wind and it comes crashing down. I don't know. I could sleep in the car tonight, I guess. What else am I gonna do? I don't really know. I'm not gonna lay in that thing. Let's go back inside real quick and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's completely just crashing in on me. It doesn't look like it's really, whoa, oh wait a minute. Really wet over there. I almost feel like I should pull this stuff out, get it in the car before it gets wet. It's gonna get wet, I guess, when I take it to the car. I don't know what else to do. Man. Thunder. All right, I'm gonna leave it in here. I'll be fine. It'll be warm enough tonight. Close this back up. If I can. I mean, look at that. Look at it. Look at it. I can't even keep it up. I can't keep it up. Oh, this is just an utter failure. Wow. 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 What do you do? It makes it interesting, right? I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Give it a thumbs up. All right, you guys, I've got an idea. It's kind of cleared up a little bit, so I feel like I can move this. All right, so the plan is to move campsites. I don't have any trees around me right here, and I can't keep that thing supported. So maybe if I go down there to those campsites over there, I can put it up in the trees and maybe I can like string it up, tie it up. I don't know. Do something to make it support itself. The sad tent. All right, I'm gonna move it real quick. Oh, where's it at? Is it? Oh, it's over here. Okay, let's look for the tree. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't see. Oh my word, this thing is soaked. Soaked and dirty now. Super dirty. How do I even? What do I do? Well, not every product is a good product, I'll tell you that right now. And that's not one I'm gonna get behind. I feel bad a little bit. No, I don't, no. I mean a little tiny bit I feel bad. Cause somebody could have maybe made, should I go get it out of there? Should I not? No, I'm throwing it away. It's garbage. Well, I'm just sitting here relaxing and listening to the thunderstorm. I haven't seen the lightning at all, so it must just be up in the clouds. We've got somewhat of blue skies behind me. Ooh, that was a lightning strike. Wait for it. All right, so that's the first time I actually saw lightning. Whew. This is crazy. There's like just a dark cloud right up here above me. But back that way, it doesn't look bad at all. So I don't know. Very interesting, you guys. It's really fun to actually watch lightning storms, but can be creepy too. As long as you're in a safe spot. And I don't know how safe I feel. I'm under a tree. I'm out of the rain. I guess I'm definitely sleeping in the car tonight. That'll be the first time on this channel. Camping in a rental car. Here comes some more rain. So it's currently 5:48 in the evening. It's about time to make some dinner and then figure out how I'm gonna sleep in the car. So that's basically all I've got for tonight. My plans kind of got ruined with that tent, but we'll make it happen. We'll make it work. Man, it's coming down, you guys. This is getting crazy. Really crazy. I thought that the storm was going that way, but it's not. It's actually heading this way towards me. Oh man, this is just wild. Wild. So I moved the picnic table right here so I could cook underneath this tree. But I'm still getting hit by rain and it's very windy, you guys. I don't have a tarp. I was really counting on that tent, I guess. Oh man, I'm like notorious for not being prepared. I'm sorry, you guys. I told you, I'm not the survival guy. I'm not the bushcraft guy. I'm just a guy trying to go out and camp and have fun. And sometimes craziness happens. Ooh, we got hail. Ooh, wow. Look at that. That is a chunk of hail. Holy cow. Oh my word. I need to grab my camera. Oh, that's definitely some hail. Look at that chunk. Oh man, we're getting pummeled. Wow. Okay, I'm getting in the car. Let's get in the car. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, my stuff's getting nailed out there. There's nothing I can do about it though. Wow, look at this. That was a really wild storm. Really wild. Hail coming out of nowhere, hitting me. I think it's slowly letting up now. I had my GoPro out there filming a time lapse. I'm not sure if it's okay. I'm gonna have to go check here in a minute. I thought the storm was heading that way, but it was coming my way. And when I was sitting there, it was raining a little bit, but I was hearing this like rushing water sound. And what it was is it was the hail hitting the water out in the distance. So it was coming my way. That's crazy, you guys. So crazy. It's always an adventure, I tell you what. Oh man, that hail's coming down. It's probably dime size at one point. Woo! Oh man. You guys, this is nuts. This is so crazy. Oh, it's really hot and muggy too. I'm sitting at 80 degrees Fahrenheit right here, 81. I might turn the car on real quick just to cool it down. Whew. It is so hot and humid. I want to take my coat off, but I need to get out there and check that GoPro. Here we go. Oh, look at all these big puddles. Oh, I'm gonna jump. Oh, there it is. Oh no, it definitely fell over. Hopefully it didn't break. Ooh, muddy. Okay, you still recording? Let's set it back up. There we go. All right, let's get out of here. Back to safety. Oh no, this stuff is soaked. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna cook. Just set that there, I guess. So much water. My cast iron pan, my burner. Hopefully I can get it all dried off. I'll get back into that car. That's what's coming our way. So we don't have much longer and the storm's gonna go away. I couldn't imagine if I was inside that tent, you guys. That thing would have just been destroyed so bad. Well, I guess it is destroyed now. It's in the garbage. You don't think that since I threw it away... No, no. It's not the free Crocs curse, is it? The sky is amazing looking. Look at that. That is crazy. I still see some lightning going on over there, out in the distance for sure. But I'm hoping that's what we have coming our way. So, all that was left out here, these were big puddles. I saw them, they were big puddles of water. And there's still some over there and under there. But got my stove here. It's a little wet, but looks fairly okay on the inside. And my pan. That's cast iron, so that might rust a little bit. Dump that out. Dry that off. It'll be okay. What an incredible storm that was. I haven't been in one of those in a while, and man, it really does make things just kind of amp up, get you excited a little bit. It's currently, hold on. Must be something in the air. It's currently 7 in the evening, and I have yet to make dinner. I'm not sure what to do yet. I have a steak. Do I want to cook the steak, or do I want to just have a can of soup? I'm just worried about this. I just don't like it. So beautiful though. Really is. All right, tonight we're gonna have filet mignon. Bacon wrap, that is. Oh yeah. Go ahead and season that up. We've got some salt and pepper. Just do a little bit of salt on there, a little bit of pepper. Then I have just a little other kind of rub I want to put on there. A little bit of butter and some garlic. Well, I was gonna make mashed potatoes and I opened this up and look at that. Gross. What in the world happened to it? That's really gross. So I'm not having potatoes. Dear Heavenly Father, Lord, thank you so much for this day, Lord. I thank you and I praise you and everything, Lord. Even when things don't go right, Lord, you're always here with me and you just cheer me up, and I just thank you for that. And Father, I just pray that you will continue to be with the family as I'm away, and I pray that you will bless this food to my body. Lord, there's just so many prayer requests, Lord, that have been brought to me, and I just pray for those right now, Lord. I pray that you will just take care of them in your way. You will heal, you will protect, and you will just save. And we just thank you and love you so much. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right. Oh man, you guys, that looks delicious. I don't know if you can really see it or not, but boy, does it look good. So I'm gonna tear into it real quick. I'm having all types of troubles out here, you guys. It was raining a little bit, and my little fire just doesn't seem to want to keep going. Oh yeah, filet mignon. There we go, bottoms up. Oh man, that's so good. That is delicious. And I'm starving. I'm really hungry right now. Whoa. All right, some asparagus. Oh yeah. That's really tasty as well. Nicely cooked. Whoo. That is quite the show out there. Quite the show. Man, that's good. Man, that was delicious, you guys. That was super good. It's too bad those potatoes were all messed up. I don't know what happened. It was just a bad package, I guess. Well, I think I'm gonna see that thunderstorm all night long. I think it's gonna be really cool. Something to kind of entertain myself. All right, well, I'm gonna have to get cleaned up here and then figure out how I'm gonna sleep in that car. All right, you guys. Well, I'm in the car. I thought maybe I'd be able to make some sort of bed in the back, but it's too small and it just doesn't work. So I'm just gonna sit here in the passenger seat. I've got my pillow with me and I've got my sleeping bag if I get cold. It's pretty warm right now. It's currently 71 degrees in the car. And it's kind of humid and muggy since it rained. I'll have to crack the windows here and hopefully I can sleep in this position. I don't know. It's not going to be a good night's sleep. I know that for a fact. But that's okay. We'll get through it. All right, I'm going to hit the seat. Go to sleep. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning. It's a beautiful morning. Definitely beautiful. I think that the storm is gone. We've got some beautiful blue skies. I didn't sleep all that great, to be expected. I mean, I slept in the front seat of a car. But I know what to make me feel better. A good old coffee and a good breakfast. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nice looking omelet right there. Oh, full of goodness. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. A nice, beautiful omelet on a beautiful day. That is perfect. Super good. Cheers, everybody. Well, I'm not super rested from last night. I'm still pretty tired. I didn't sleep that great in the car. If you guys have been following me, you know that that's actually a rental car. My other car is in the shop. Finally getting it fixed after hitting the deer. If I had the Highlander, I would have had a whole lot more room to sleep. Which I might do a video about camping in the car maybe another time. It'll be a lot better than this one. Well, I still had a whole lot of fun, and I hope you guys did too. A little bit different of a video, that's for sure. What a mess. Forgive me for the mess of a video, but that's all right. There's always another adventure, you guys. Well, I've got about a 2-hour drive ahead of me to get home. I've got everything packed up in the car and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. So as always, thank you so much for watching. God bless. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!